The 9 to 5 illusion, why safe jobs are costing you freedom. Safe jobs sounds good, right? But what if the thing you believe is protecting you is actually keeping you trapped? The truth in 2025, millions are discovering that job security is more illusion than a reality. Layoffs, artificial intelligence, rising costs. It's a storm. Here's the metaphor I use. Imagine building your house on sand. No matter how strong the walls are, the foundation won't hold. That's the 9 to 5 grind today. Instead, here's how I rebuilt my foundations. Learned skills once. Digital marketing isn't a trend. It's the backbone of every single business now. Leverage systems. My 2-hour workday works because I let automation carry the weight. Scale without burnout. Each piece of content is a worker. While you live life, your team keeps working. Here's a question. If your job disappeared tomorrow, how long could you stay afloat? Most people wait until the layoff comes. Don't wait for the sand to sink beneath your feet. Watch one of my previous videos, What No One Tells You About Retirement at 70, and the link will be in the description. Break free before the foundation cracks, and comment info, and I'll send you the exact blueprint I follow every single day. And it really works. Keeps you organized too.